So people keep asking me what's inside your resource pack that's priced at 1.5k rupees. So I'll tell you what is it inside. So here's everything that you need and why I built it and how it actually helped my learners, one particular recently to land a 5.2 LPA job as a complete fresher in a data analyst role. So this pack is for one thing that is helping Indian learners actually get jobs. And you will get real projects, ready to use resumes, AI tools, and an entire Notion roadmap all bounded together. So let's break it down completely. So first one is start with the resume templates that we have. So you get 5 plug and play templates that you can edit it using Word. And it's ATS friendly and it's proof first and is built specifically for data and AI roles in India and outside. So, and then another part is project templates and skill tasks. So there are real world prompts plus solution. And one of my mentee used them to crack an interview, I told you, right? Like 5.2 LPA job without any experience. And you also get a career roadmap in Notion. So a tool by tool path, what to skip and how to start freelancing also. It's all laid out really clearly. Bonus, you get access to AI Career Engine even though it's completely free. It's included with the AI resume helper, JD tailoring tools, cheat sheet and free templates. So if you're stuck in the tutorial loop and confused what to learn next or tired of just applying without any calls at all, check out the link in description and get the full pack. And if any of you still have a doubt, you can always contact me. I'll give you on my social, I'll give you a full breakdown and what you can expect from it. And it includes the AI Career Hub. You can even search aicareerengine.com. It's live, you can search it out. And test tools before buying anything. I want you to first test everything and once you're satisfied, then only buy it. And I made it to save months of trials and error because a lot of students, particularly number 3000 plus that I have taught, have faced this issue. So if you want a structured path with proof, this pack is for you. So like, share, subscribe for more tools, more packs and more information on data and AI. And I'll see you guys in the next one.